there, I'm Amy Lee Mercury. Today I'm taking a walk in this park, appreciating life. Nature has numerous healing qualities. Just feeling the wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, the rain dripping down your body has the power to evoke feelings of interconnection. When we feel that, we can even bring forth the power of gratitude. Think about how grateful we can feel for being outside in this beautiful environment we call nature. While you are outside, take a moment to cultivate gratitude. It's the perfect environment for this. Even turn up the volume on your gratitude by saying an affirmation like, I am so grateful that I get to be here in this beautiful setting to walk, play, and even have time for quiet reflection. Just take a moment to say thanks. When you do this, you bloom into a better life just by being grateful. It's a magical thing, and it happens every day. I'm Amy Lee Mercury. Remember to live joy, be kind, and love unconditionally. Thanks for watching.